Hey, this is Dash, and I wanted to remind you guys that I'm going to be sitting in the hot seat with CJ. Wait, what do you mean? You guys don't know who CJ is or what the hot seat is? Alright, so here's a quick rundown. It's a live stream where basically I sit in the hot seat and you guys get to ask me questions. CJ hosts along with Kent, you know, from Daddy Dutch Barbecue, and you know how I do on my live streams where I drink on Wednesdays from 9 p.m. Eastern until about 11 p.m. Eastern. Well, CJ, he does something a little different. I'm not going to spoil it for him and or you guys. You'll have to join me on the hot seat. I'm sweating already. So, see you Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific. I'll put the link to the video down below, and if you haven't already, please do me a solid and subscribe to CJ's channel so you can not only be reminded of when I'm in the hot seat, you can see others get grilled too. No pun intended. See you Thursday.